case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
Center Construction Company found itself in court in 2007 for violating the National Labor Relations Act by interfering with its employees' efforts to join unions and discriminating against workers because of their union activities. The company had prevented its two-man plumbing staff from organizing with Local 370, leading to a picket. Supervisor Matt Welsh threatened to fire employees who did not return to work, and production manager Christy Eagleson gave letters to workers waiting outside the picket line. The National Labor Relations Board, NLRB, found Center Construction guilty of numerous unfair labor practices and ordered them to stop. The court granted the board's petition to enforce, with one exception concerning Eagleson's statement about sheet metal jobs. Center Construction's challenge to the NLRB's decision was rejected, and the court upheld the Gissel bargaining order. In a victory for Local 370, the court denied Center Construction's petition to review the case and granted the union's petition, affirming the board's decision to issue a Gissel bargaining order and protect employees' rights to engage in union activities.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit LSD.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.